What if you could build an entire floating island that looks like it's defying gravity? Today, I'll show you how to create this magic. These simple materials are all it takes to create a miniature floating island that looks like a luxury designer centerpiece. Let's build it. We'll start by carving the foundation of our floating island. Focus on creating uneven cliffs and natural curves, because those small... Now it's time to add realistic rock textures. Carve deep cracks, layered cliffs, and a waterfall channel to give the island... Painting brings the island to life. Start with darker shades, then build lighter layers to highlight every rocky detail. A few natural green accents make... Now comes the illusion. A crystal-clear acrylic support is hidden inside the island and base, making it appear as if the entire landscape is floating effortlessly in midair. Now the island starts to feel alive. Layer preserved moss, tiny plants, and natural textures to create a lush landscape while keeping the rocky cliffs and waterfall beautifully exposed. Every floating island needs a centerpiece. This handcrafted bonsai adds height, balance, and brings the entire landscape together with a timeless, natural look. The tiny stone path guides your eyes through the landscape, while the wooden bridge adds a peaceful touch that makes the floating island feel like a real place waiting to be explored. Now we bring the island to life. A hidden water pump creates a gentle waterfall, flowing into the pond below, adding movement, sound, and a peaceful natural atmosphere. Hidden lighting is what transforms this miniature landscape. By concealing every wire, the warm glow feels completely natural, highlighting the waterfall, bridge, and the final details make all the difference. Clean every surface, blend the natural textures, and hide anything that breaks the illusion. These finishing touches, and there it is. A handcrafted floating island that looks like it's suspended in midair. With its glowing landscape, flowing waterfall, and peaceful bonsai, a few simple materials, a little creativity, and you've created a floating island that looks like a luxury designer masterpiece. Home decor ideas, and let me know what you'd like to see next.
Small details make the biggest difference. Tiny flowers and patches of grass instantly make the island feel more alive and naturally balanced. A few realistic water details completely transform the waterfall, making it feel like a real mountain stream flowing through the landscape. A tiny glowing lantern adds warmth and creates a peaceful atmosphere that ties the entire miniature landscape together. Tiny wildlife details bring the island to life, making it feel like a peaceful world frozen in time. Every handcrafted detail comes together to create a floating miniature world that looks like a luxury designer masterpiece.
Would you display this floating island in your home? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe for more luxury DIY projects that turn simple materials into extraordinary creations.